Okay, so before we start going over that worksheet and kind of covering, how to use the tables that you guys got yesterday and how the normal distribution curve um, works, I just want to take a second and go over some of the percentages that we learned yesterday, because some of the ones that were on the worksheet were a little off. Now, the reason that they're a little off is because some worksheets and some books, instead of using the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, they use a little bit more of an accurate model that uses decimals. So it's not just 68, it's 68 with a decimal. And if that's the case, it just kind of throws off the percentages just a little bit. It doesn't matter which one you use for the AP test, but we're just going to redo ours just so it's a little bit more consistent with what we're showing you. Okay, so let's make sure this is written down. The mean, again, is right in the middle. And then as you go out, this would be 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations, and 3 standard deviations. On the left side, you have 1 standard deviation to the left, 2 standard deviations to the left, and 3 standard deviations to the left. Okay, so the way it works is from the first standard deviations, that is 68% of your data. Okay, the second standard deviations, when you break that up from here to here, that's going to be 95% of your data is going to be between those 2 standard deviations. And then for 3 standard deviations,